Hey, I'm Albert, these are my partners Chris and Sandy, and in a few minutes you're going to see how you can turn results like this into results like this. Huge conversions, loads of clicks, and a massive ROI. If you could completely legally tap into the niche audiences that some seriously big companies have spent millions building, would you do it? Of course you would, right? That's something every sensible business owner would want. It doesn't matter if you're selling t-shirts, e-com products, if you do CPA, if you're an Amazon affiliate, or even if you're selling products of your own. If you advertise on Facebook, this matters to you. And it matters to you because this is about your targeting. And you already know that there is nothing more important than that when running your Facebook ads. You can have a brilliant offer. You can have fantastic copy. If you've got bad targeting, it kills all of it. Let me show you where most people go wrong with their targeting. See if you recognize this. So, this is the Facebook Ad Manager, and let's say you want to run ads to the engineering niche. So you enter engineering into interests, but that's 14 million people. If you're targeting this many people, you're not just targeting the people who are really passionate in that niche, you're targeting everyone. And you don't want that, because the less passionate your prospects are, the less likely they are to click on your ad. That means far fewer clicks, for higher CPCs and an ad budget you burn through without getting any results. So what else has Facebook given us? Technology. Over 1 billion people. Ethics, 186 million. Engineer, 37 million. None of these are any use in finding the hottest prospects. Not only that, but these are the same things Facebook suggests to everyone. So not only are these really expensive targets, but the competition is huge. So, if you want your ads to work better, you've got to be a bit clever with your targeting. Something that could work very well is targeting the hottest prospects who are already members of different Facebook groups in your niche. For example, let's say you wanted to sell this t-shirt related to firefighters. People who are members of these different firefighter Facebook groups are definitely a strong potential audience to target. Targeting the very same members who are part of your competitor's Facebook group can be pretty effective. For example, say you are part of an internet marketing coaching company, xyz.com, and another company, let's say digitalmarketer.com, was your competition. Members who are already a part of the Digital Marketer Facebook community would make a pretty strong audience to target if you are selling similar products in the IM space as you'd be direct competitors. But the problem here is this. How do you target people who are members of different Facebook groups? Without a lot of technical knowledge, you might not even know that you could scrape publicly available email IDs and phone numbers from profiles of different members who are all a part of that Facebook group, and you're never finding it if you try to figure it out manually, because there are thousands of people inside these Facebook groups. That's where you use the Pacific app. First, just log into your Pacific app account. You're going to be amazed at just how easy this is. Enter your Facebook group ID here, so you can choose to retrieve only publicly available email IDs or phone numbers and hit extract. The Pacific app will find all the available email IDs and phone numbers of members of that particular Facebook group. Once you are able to extract all the publicly available email IDs and phone numbers of members, here are some of the things you can go ahead and do with that data that just came fresh out of the oven. You can send cold emails offering free trials or discounts of your product or service, make cold calls introducing yourself and build relationships with prospects that can possibly translate into leads and sales for your business, make a custom audience by uploading the list that you are able to extract and target them using Facebook ads, or create a more powerful lookalike audience from the custom audience that was generated and target more people that have similar interests. So, looks good. And let me be clear, This isn't some fly-by-night plugin. This is an updated, supported web app, and we are here to stay. Since the original version was released back in 2016, we've kept this app supported and updated with loads of new features. And that means hundreds of people are already using version 1 of the Pacific app to find top audiences for their ads. So, the important stuff. What deal are you going to get here? Well, the first version of the Pacific app sold for $97. With all the extra features this new edition has available, we've decided to increase the price to $197. But if you're watching this, that means you can get the special launch discount, where you can still get the Pacific app for the old price of $67, and we'll throw in developer rights with it. So not only can you use it on your own campaigns, you can use it on your clients' campaigns too. You don't have to get developer rights, there's a standard version available too. Just remember that if you get the standard version and you want to upgrade later, you'll have to pay the full price. So please, don't risk waiting and missing out. Don't risk hours of your time trying this research alone and still missing out on awesome audiences. Don't risk letting the easiest sales of your life, people who are already using your competition, go to someone else. When the Pacific app is 100% guaranteed, risk-free, super simple to use, proven, powerful, and with 24/7 professional support to answer any question that you may have. Click the button below and secure your copy of the Pacific app while it's still available. We can't wait to see you on the inside.